Lesson 11.1.3. The degree of polynomials. The degree of polynomials. The degree of a polynomial is the greatest of the sum of variables indices for every single monomial. In other words, to determine the degree of a polynomial, the indices of different variables contained in a single monomial are added to each other. This procedure is carried out for all monomials separately. Then, we compare the sums obtained to determine the degree of the given polynomial. For example, the degree of the polynomial shown on screen is 6, because we can write it as the following. Hence, by adding the variables indices for every single monomial, we obtain the following. Since the second term has the highest degree, the given polynomial is of the sixth degree. Example. What is the degree of the polynomial on screen? Solution. This polynomial has 4 terms, x squared y, minus 4xy squared, 8y to the power of 4, and minus 3 respectively. For the indices counting sake, we can write them as x squared y1, minus 4x1y squared, 8y to the power of 4, and minus 3 respectively. Hence, for the first term, we have the following. For the second term, we have. For the third term, we have. For the fourth term, we have. This is true because of the following. Hence the degree of this monomial is 0 plus 0 equals 0. That is all for lesson 11.1.3. To continue this topic, please watch 11.1.4, the names of polynomials by degree. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.iCalculator.info.